Welcome to the SQF and HACCP course. At the end of this course, you will know the standards and requirements of the SQF system and understand the HACCP system and how it's implemented. Before we start, we need to know some key concepts. First, SQF. SQF stands for Safe Quality Food. This is a system of prevention and risk management implemented and operated by each plant to ensure food safety and food quality through a food safety plan. The SQF system gives us a certification with worldwide recognition and is a requirement of our customers. Second, HACCP. HACCP is a tool for assessing risks and establishing systems that focus on control measures for significant hazards throughout the process. Third, a significant hazard is something that affects the quality of the product if there is no established control. Fourth, critical control point, or CCP. A CCP is the stage in the process at which one or more control measures are applied to prevent a hazard. And finally, food safety. Food safety is the assurance that food will not cause adverse effects to the health of the consumer as long as it is prepared or consumed according to its intended use. To ensure food safety and food quality, we apply SQF Issue 9. The following apply in our plant: SQF Food Safety Codes and SQF Food Quality Codes. Next, we will see the elements needed to implement and follow up the SQF system. Commitment by management. Document control. Specifications and product development. Food safety system. Verification of the SQF system. Identification, tracking, withdrawal, and recall of product. Food defense and food fraud. Allergen management. And finally, training. The SQF system grants us a certification through an audit in which we can be marked with findings. Each finding will remove points depending on the severity. The findings are classified as follows. Minor nonconformity. This will cost us 1 point. Major nonconformity. This will cost us 5 points. Critical nonconformity. This will cost us 50 points. A nonconformity refers to anything non-compliance with SQF requirements, or in other words, something that does not follow our policies, procedures, food safety plan, food quality plan, or puts the product or our customers at risk. The audit is divided into 2 stages. The first is the desk audit, which is where documents, procedures, formats, and records are reviewed. The second is the field audit, which is the review of processes such as good manufacturing practices, cleanliness, control of materials, warehouses, pest control, and controlled areas. Our participation in the audit is very important, as a critical nonconformity may result in the withdrawal of our certification. Now let's review what HACCP is. HACCP stands for Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. HACCP is a preventive and systematic process aimed at the prevention and control of biological, chemical, and physical hazards by means of anticipation and prevention, rather than inspection and testing of end products. This is in accordance with the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. In the 1960s, the Pillsbury Company and NASA developed a program to produce safe food for the American space program, as foodborne illnesses were considered very important. Pillsbury introduced and adopted HACCP to ensure greater safety while reducing the number of tests and inspections of the final product. The Pillsbury Company presented the HACCP system in 1971 at a food safety conference in the United States, and the system later served as the basis for the FDA to develop future legal standards. HACCP is currently applied in the food, cosmetics, and pharmaceutical industries. Part of HACCP's control processes involves processes and programs, called prerequisites, that provide us with environmental conditions necessary for safe food production. Some of the processes are the good manufacturing practices, staff training, equipment calibration, pest control processes, building and equipment maintenance, cleansing and sanitation, water quality, control of foreign contamination, supplier control, transportation and delivery, waste control, allergen control, and document control. This is not the complete list and only names some of the processes and programs we use. But why should we implement HACCP? First of all, this is a legal requirement. It is also a customer request, and we use it to stand out in the market. For safeguarding the integrity of our customers. And because it helps us in the prevention and control of risks or hazards. Earlier, we mentioned 3 risks analyzed by HACCP. Physical, chemical, and biological. Physical risks are items such as paper, metal, wood, plastic, and stones. Chemical risks are things like cleaning products, grease, and oil. Allergens are also considered a chemical risk. Finally, biological risks. These are viruses, fungi, bacteria, and parasites. Biological risks can be present in body fluids such as blood and saliva. Now we will see what a critical control point, or CCP, and a critical quality point, or CQP, are. A CCP is a process step at which a control can be applied that is essential to prevent or eliminate a product safety hazard or to reduce it to acceptable levels. An example of a CCP is a metal detector. And a CQP are those that are related to some product parameter, for example, low weights, and these are managed by quality. On the walls of the facility you will find our food safety policy. Our policy states the company is committed to excellence in the quality of our products, putting an emphasis on customer requirements, complying with all statutory and regulatory requirements, and ensuring products are safe for human consumption. How can I as an employee participate in HACCP? Follow cleaning and disinfection procedures. Comply with good manufacturing practices. If you are responsible for metal detectors, follow the procedure for verification and testing. Fill out the documents cleanly and correctly. Follow maintenance practices. If you detect a problem with product safety and quality, report to your supervisor. Comply with established company policies related to product quality and safety. And remember that you, as an employee, are fundamental to the quality and safety of our products. In conclusion, SQF and HACCP are the systems and processes we use to ensure food safety and quality. And you are a fundamental part to achieve it. Thank you.